The first two areas of the front to be adjusted are the panoscopic angle and frame straightness. The adjustment for both of these are the same and can be assessed and corrected simultaneously. The panoscopic angle is usually between a 4 and 18-degree tilt inward of the bottom portion of the eye wire. To increase the panoscopic angle, you bend the end piece down on both sides. To decrease the angle, bend the end piece up on both sides. When analyzing frame straightness, if one lens is higher than the other lens, you bend the end piece on the side you wish to raise or lower. You may decide to raise one lens and lower the other when the frame straightness is severely out of adjustment. It is easy to remember which way to bend the end piece by the lens that is up, bend the end piece up, and the lens that is down, bend the end piece down. The last area of the front to be adjusted are the nose pads. The goal is to place the pad evenly on the nose, position them halfway between the top of the bridge and the inner canthus, and when the patient is looking straight ahead, the nose pads should be perpendicular to the floor. There are 3 nose pad angles that correspond to the fitting goals. The frontal angle is where the tops of the nose pads are closer together than the bottoms. This angle takes into account the patient's nose is narrower on top and flares out wider towards the bottom. The splay angle is where the back edges of the nose pads are farther apart than the front. This angle mimics the shape of the nose, which flattens as you move from the top of the bridge to the inner canthus. The vertical angle is where the bottom of the pad is closer to the eye wire than the top of the pad. This angle ensures that the nose pad is perpendicular to the floor when the patient is looking straight ahead.